Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to unbox the last 5 days of my advent calendar from Aberdeen Wool Co. This is the 2021 Tangled Poets collection, and I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. As always, Aberdeen Wool Co. will be linked in the description box down below. For you Canadians out there, they are local to you, so have at. Their shipping to the US is super reasonable. You would never notice that they were out of country for us, but it does take a little bit longer to get to you. This is the same company that did the pickle jar scarf that I've been working on. And right now, well, I can't say as of filming, as of Saturday. Today is Tuesday when I'm filming this. As of Saturday, all of the pickle jar things, the refills, the pickle jar, they were all in stock, so you can hop on there and order one. The Tangled Poets collection is what makes up the minis that are in that, as well as what's in here. You can also just order Tangled Poets collection yarns. All right, so this makes a little bit more sense. We had a white with a very faint hint of blue and a little bit of yellow in the previous one. This is day 21, so day 20 was a little underwhelming based on the other 5 colors we had unboxed. No offense. I mean, you need some more boring things on occasion. Not everything can be hyper saturated teal or that aqua from the first of the calendar. The one that's going into the shawl right now. It's so dreamy to work with. I'm loving it. Not gonna lie. Now, as always, I have like 30 WIPs going on. So obviously, as of filming today, this is Tuesday. I have not finished the socks and shawlette. Hopefully, I'll get the socks done before this video goes up on Saturday, and you'll see a finished pair of socks at the end of this video. But I make no promises because I'm also working on about 18 other projects at the same time. My basket of goodies down here, well, that should have been shared on Thursday. Oh, okay. It looks like we might be heading back to purple again in the next, but we've got like this cool denim blue again. I really love that denim color. It's popped up in the shawl. The second color that went in, it was that green base, and then it had a lot of that denim-y blue color. It was really, really pretty. And it was very pretty as it pulled up in the work. I really enjoyed it. I think there's some more of it in the last color that will go into the shawl. And that color is like primarily like deep purples, and I think it's deep purples and greens. So we're going to end with this very dark border. I think it's going to be really pretty, but it's definitely going to be unexpected. All right. Day 23 is up next. That does not look purple, but it does look denim. If you did not watch the unboxing of day 15 through 20, I am tying the tags back onto the hanks because it's very, very hard to get these little hanks back into these tiny little bags. Yeah, we got a solid denim. I don't know. The more as I'm looking at these colors coming out, I still haven't laid these out together. I might group these in 2 separate projects. I don't know. Because the ones that have like the very winter autumn colors, that maize color, the deep, deep plum color, that beautiful teal we got in the middle of last week. Those look so spectacular together. I'm starting to think maybe I ought to do a project with those separate. I guess part of it will depend on what this full hank for day 25 is, but this could magically pull everything all together. It's not that I don't think they go together because we've had these transition pale colors throughout it, but all right, day 24. All right, so we're going back to the white transition here. I'm going to have to look because all the other ones I've done day by day. and really haven't paid attention as I'm editing these videos to put them back together. You know, I haven't really thought about how they're transitioning. After I film this, I'll take a picture of everything out all together and we'll see what all the colors look like together, but that are left for what was supposed to be a sweater. But I am really curious to see if every other day was a more white base to transition. Getting a little through there. All right, so all of our minis are done, and we have 4 blues together here. So, I mean, those are really pretty. The little pop of purple there kind of surprises me that it doesn't fade into a purple, but once again, I love this denim color. It's just such a spectacular shade of denim. And the dye technique done on that is chef's kiss. All right, so the last thing we have for our advent calendar is our full skein. Et voila. All right. So this is Ranger GF Scott's Northern Light. So I don't know that this really blends all of our colors together or even ties it in, but we do have, there's some of the greens, some of the blues. It's with that denim wash, almost giving it a gray cast on the yarn itself. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the whole band off. But like I said, I keep saying this over and over again, but, you know, I've said it with the subscription box thing. When you vibe with a designer, something like this is pretty safe. I know there are a lot of people, I can't remember the other dyer a lot of people love so much. She did like a Hocus Pocus or Halloween movie, Halloween Advent. Yeah, a lot of people just kind of vibe with her. So I really like the way that looks. I'm curious as to how this is going to work up because this is not strictly tonal. The color is very broken up and not very even, so it shouldn't pool. Interesting. Also, this is a shorter hank than I'm used to getting, so we might not quite be seeing how long the color transition on that is. I promise you, I'm not as weird as I seem. Oh, maybe I am. But yeah, that's interesting. I really like the yarn. If I were just like knitting a hat out of this, I'd be like, yeah. This goes perfectly with this set. I don't know how well it goes with the teals and the mazes we got last time. That's what I'm saying. I might have to break these up into like the blue camp and then the like fall winter camp, because that teal and that maize color and the copper color look so good together. I might have to break this up into other projects. So this might take me longer than I thought it was going to take to figure out what I'm going to do. Not that those colors don't transition into these colors, but these cool tones all together just look so awesome. And then the other ones all together just kind of look awesome. But I'll lay it all out. You guys will see it as I take the picture. I will lay these all out and I will see what I think afterwards before I upload this. And I'll keep thinking about it. I got time. I'm still working on the socks and shawls, so it's not like it has to be done today. Anyway, you guys, go check them out. Go look at their products. If you're in Canada and looking for some things, like they've got some Premier, some Barocco, they've got really good combination of things up there. Go check out Aberdeen Woolco. And their prices don't seem to be marked up as much as I've seen some other places that sell in Canada. So you might want to take a little peeky peek. Anyway, guys, please take care. I love you, and I will see you guys real soon.